To get started, ensure you have a verified SmartValor account. If you're a new user, go to smartvalor.com, sign up, and complete the KYC verification process. You must have a verified account to do any transaction on the platform, so be sure to do this first. Now that your account has been verified, it's time to purchase Kyber. From your account menu, select on Buy Sell, and where it says Bitcoin, click on the drop-down icon and select Kyber Network. To the right of that, select your preferred currency, and below that, enter the amount worth of tokens you would like to purchase or the exact amount of tokens you would like to purchase. Then, select your preferred payment method. When you're ready, click on Buy and enter your payment details. Once your payment request has been processed, you can find your Kyber tokens in your SmartValor wallet. Now that you have some KNC tokens, you can start staking them. To do so, click on Staking from your account menu. Under the Kyber Network logo, click on Stake, and then enter the amount of tokens you would like to stake. When you're done, click Stake Now. And that's it, you're all done.